Service Cloud lets you quickly adapt to change to deliver trusted service from anywhere. First, scale your support by providing customers with self-service options. Here, they can resolve simple issues with access to guided processes and find answers to frequently asked questions. Then, customers can start a conversation with intelligent chatbots that can answer their questions, hand them off to an agent, or even take actions like making account updates to resolve issues immediately. This frees up your agents to focus on more complex support, like calls about billing issues, with each issue pushed directly to the right agent using AI and your routing rules from any channel. And it's all inside a single workspace with cloud telephony natively integrated, so agents can deliver trusted support from home or the office. Customer 360 also unifies data across departments and integrated systems, so they have a complete customer view for everything. Quick access to knowledge articles keep agents up to date, while built-in AI recommends the right article or next best action to either help the agent or share with the customer. Agents also have access to automation tools like macros or step-by-step processes, like issuing a refund to resolve problems faster. Meanwhile, supervisors can coach their teams from anywhere with real-time conversation monitoring and actionable analytics. And when customers need support in the field, like roadside assistance, your field service team is equipped with an intelligent dispatch console, prioritizing essential jobs first, matching them with the right resource. And it's synced with an intuitive mobile app that has all the customer information and processes needed to complete the job safely and efficiently. Finally, respond to changes in business needs with agility using drag-and-drop tools. Adapt quickly to solve customer issues faster from anywhere with Service Cloud.